global happenings today. We communicate, we analyze global news. Stay tuned.
Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to Global Happenings today. A little quick one that is happening in Southeast. It's worrisome. When you're praying, please pray for the peace cut across the world, in Nigeria also. That right now, Ohanes and Igbo, top Apex cultural groups in the Southeast, have begun to raise alarm on what is going on, that most of which are not actually finding their way into the media space. But right now, they're complaining. You're going to find out what it is in a moment. But before we do that, we'd like you to subscribe to our channel by clicking on the red subscribe button. Beside it, you see bell notification icon. Please go ahead, click on it to get notified as soon as we update our channel on YouTube. Very quickly, the Apex Igbo Socio-Cultural Organization, Ohanes Igbo, has raised the alarm over incessant attacks and killings in the region by gunmen. The group declared that the recent Enugu killings and the ones going on in Anambra State are giving it sleepless nights, adding that enough is enough. The group spoke through Ohanes Igbo Youth Council Worldwide, OYC, led by Mazi Nabuike. Gunmen have killed tens of people in Enugu, Imo, and Anambra State in just last 1 week. However, the Ohanes youth leader said the killings were totally condemnable. While describing it as an attack too many, he wondered why the perpetrators would descend on helpless Nigerians who continue to go about their normal businesses in Igbo land. I quote him, "We are in deep pains all over the previous," I take that again, "We are in deep pains over the previous lives wasted again in the hands of some strange persons operating under the guise of UGM, and known as unknown gunmen. Within the past few weeks, several persons, including security operatives, have also paid the supreme price. This is totally condemnable and unacceptable. Igbo people are known to be peaceful, and they're also known to be not just peaceful but loving people. They are known to be respecters of the sanctity of blood. This is why we are still at a loss on the motive and those behind this carnage. Be that as it may, we are calling on the state government to rise to the occasion. It doesn't appear that the federal government controlled security apparatus are sitting on the fence. I take that again. He said it does appear that the federal government controlled security apparatus are sitting on the fence. To this end, the state government should step up action with both conventional and unconventional approach to tackle this menace once and for all. We have had enough bloodshed in Igbo states, and we see that enough is enough, he said. He called on aggrieved youths to come to the negotiating table, as the current approach would not yield the desired results. I quote him again, "We are ready to midwife any negotiation that will bring about a lasting peace in Igbo land," Oko said. He consoles the victims of the UGM attack at Abia Cattle Market, Enugu and Anambra State, urging security agencies to carry out in-depth investigations before arriving at a conclusion, adding, "There must be adequate compensation for the victims." Look, it's a sad one. Southeast over the years have never been known to be a region that is known for chaos, but it's rather unfortunate it has become a norm this past few months. Those days when we used to listen to folktales, they'll tell you stories about using conventional means and unconventional means. For some of us who know about the story of these guys that had this special ability to always fish out criminals using unconventional means, and begin to, they are like security personnel, they were like vigilantes. But right now, they're no more, because probably because after a while they became power intoxicated and it didn't all go well. Right now, the youths are getting angry. We don't even know, because it's just assuming that it has to be the youth. It may just be some persons who just want to set the stage very high, or maybe also could be some persons who just want Southeast to look very troubled. But whether you are looking very troubled or not, it's no longer propaganda. People are going down every day in that region. So let's not call it propaganda. It's real. It's happening. We've seen a series of videos that are disturbing to not just to the eyes, but even to the minds, to the heart. So please, if there are people who are aggrieved, I think it's about time the governors of the state, the leaders of the state, stakeholders, traditional rulers, call on all and sundry on the negotiating table. Please, that's not the time to begin to point accusing fingers. That's also not the time to begin to harass or probably arrest those who finally own up that they're actually behind all the carnages going on in Southeast. If indeed it's coming from Southeast, or Southeasterners are behind it, call on the youth, or the youths involved, everyone involved. This Southeast Nigeria can only be great again by the people living in there, by their people themselves. After what is happening in Russia, Ukraine, I have seen patriotism. My God, I have seen patriotism. This one is top notch, where even the president decided not to be evacuated. The beauty queen, 2015 Miss Ukraine pageant winner, refused to. Oh, my skin! She was there live. Women, the wife of the president, all there defending their land. That's the value they place, what they call home. Now, if things like this are happening, it's not the time to begin to run to Aso and say, my family and I are safe. Whatever want to go down, go down. There's no place like home. Oh. All those crying and screaming that let the chaos begin. I tell you the truth. If you think eh, um, if you think it's lovely to go into such chaotic state, I can assure you it's not a nice story. Ask those who have witnessed 1967 Biafra Nigerian war. It was never an interesting one. So please, let's not go that way. Let's call our youth, wherever they are, whoever that is involved, on the roundtable discussion. Whatever it is, have an open heart. Hear them out. They are grieved. If they're the ones behind, if they're not the ones behind, please let an in-depth investigation be carried out to find out what exactly just happened in Southeast that made it become a place that is so insecure that there's no passing day in Southeast that you don't hear stories of such. Of course, we hear such as well in the northern part of Nigeria as a whole. But we will begin to take it a step at a time and see how we can make, the region great again, Nigeria great again. That's where we're going to wrap it up. Let's meet in our comment section. What's your take? Do you have a